Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 5.1. It is third and last part of this exercise. Question number 14. Name the following pairs of angles. Dear students, here we see there are two lines are drawn and they intersect to each other at point O. Lines are BD and AC. And another line OE is also drawn from point O and it forms 90 degree on the line BD. After seeing this figure, we need to give the answer of the following questions. First question is obtuse vertically opposite angle. Obtuse vertically opposite angle. Dear students, here we see angle AOD, angle AOD, AOD, it is an example of obtuse angle because value of this angle is more than 90 degree. And another is BOC, BOC, it is also greater than 90 degree. So angle AOD and angle BOC are pair of obtuse vertically opposite angles. Here answer is written, a pair of obtuse vertically opposite angles are angle AOD and angle BOC. Another question is adjacent complementary angles. Adjacent complementary angles means sum of these two angles become 90 degrees. So angle AOB, angle AOB and angle AOE, AOE, sum of these two angles become 90 degree because this part of this angle is 90 degree, hence rest of this is also 90 degree. So angle BOA and AOE are form complementary angles. In this way we write here adjacent complementary angles are angle AOB and angle AOE. Next question is equal supplementary angles. It is third part of this question. Equal supplementary angles are BOE, BOE and EOD, EOD. When we sum these two angles, it becomes 180 degree. And as we know, when sum of two angles are 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. So angle BOE and EOD both form a straight angle, means 180 degree. So we write equal supplementary angles are angle BOE and angle EOD, because here we find that angle BOE it is 90 degree and EOD also 90 degree and they form supplementary angles. Next is unequal supplementary angles. Unequal supplementary angles, angle EOA, EOA, this angle, and angle EOC, EOC. Here we see this angle and sum of this angle becomes 180 degree, but they are not equal because angle of AOE is smaller than angle EOC. So we write here unequal supplementary angles are angle EOA and angle EOC. Next is adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Dear students, here three pairs of angles that do not form linear pair, because we know that angles form linear pair when sum of them is 180 degree and they have common vertex and common arm. So when we see here angle AOB, angle AOB and angle AOE, angle AOE, it is not form a linear pair because sum of these two angles is only 90 degree, but they are linear pair. Next pair is AOE, AOE and EOD. It is also an example of adjacent angles but not a linear pair, because sum of these two angles is not 180 degree, but they have common vertex and common arm OE. And last pair of this question is angle EOD, EOD, this angle it is 90 degree, and angle COD, COD, these two angles also form adjacent angles, but they are not an example of linear pair because sum of them is not 180 degree. In this way, this exercise is completed. In next video, we will discuss next question from exercise 5.2. Thank you.